Welcome to Nazarbayev University School of Medicine. Today, I will take you on a tour of our campus, a place where future doctors, researchers, and health leaders are being trained to make a difference in Kazakhstan and beyond. This is Biomedical Research Lab, the heart of scientific discovery at NU SOM. Here, students and faculty work side by side on groundbreaking projects, exploring solutions that advance medicine and improve the clinical outcomes.
At Nazarbayev University School of Medicine, we are developing our programs to equip our students not just with the best technical skills, but also to become innovators that push the boundaries of knowledge beyond what we know in biomedical, in clinical, and public health science.
Our simulation center, a place where we practice clinical skills before stepping into real hospital. From basic life support to complex emergency procedures, this safe environment prepares us to handle real-life challenges with confidence. In the Human Anatomy Lab, we study the foundations of medicine. What makes it special is our technology. The anatomage table and wall, advanced 3D visualization tools that allow us to explore the human body in detail, virtually performing dissections and learning the anatomy like never before. And of course, no university experience is complete without a great library. Our School of Medicine library is more than books. It's a hub of knowledge and collaboration. Whether you need a quiet study hall or a team room, you'll always find the right space here. This is the place where we come together for conferences, discussions, and events that connect us to the wider medical community. At Nazarbayev University School of Medicine, we are not just studying medicine, we are building the future of healthcare. If you are ready to join a world-class community, explore our programs, and discover your path with us, see you soon at NU SOM.